Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can automatically fish and fish it. So obviously you're going to go in the game. First of all, if you are new to the game, you'll need to manually fish first until you are level 2. You will see your levels up here. So get your rod, just press on it and then click to throw. And you're just going to click like really fast here until you are level 2. So here I'm just going to fish manually for you guys so you guys can see. Then once you are level 2, you can just enable auto fishing by pressing this. And that's it. You can just leave this game AFK. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.